Hey, welcome back everybody. It's KB here. So in this video, I'm going to show you the easiest method to make a bootable USB drive for Windows, Linux, Android, and even a Mac OS. So in this tutorial, I'm going to use the Balena Etcher software. So this is the software which we are going to use to make a bootable USB drive. And actually there are many software to do the same thing, and in the past I have made a video on the same topic, and if you're interested, I'm going to put a link in the description for the old video where I used a Rufus software. Rufus is another one of the most popular bootable USB maker software. So if you're interested, you can watch that video. But I suggest you guys to watch this video instead of old one, because the Balena Etcher software is the fastest and the easiest software to use to make a bootable USB drive. Now let's talk about how to download and how to install. So first of all, you have to visit this site. I'm going to put a link in the description. You can go there and visit this site and download the software. So this software is available for Windows, Mac, and Linux. So choose whatever operating system you're using and download it. And if you don't want to install this in Windows PC, then you can actually get the portable version. So just click on download button and it will get downloaded and install it. The installation is simple as you install the other programs. Now once you install this software, you will see this icon Balena Etcher in your desktop or start menu. Find it, and now it's time to open it, and we will use this to make a bootable USB drive for any type of operating system: Windows, Android, Linux, even a Mac OS. So this is the Balena Etcher software, and let me tell you one thing, this is the only software which has a simple and beautiful design. And the greatest thing about this software is that there is no additional settings to do. So you just choose your ISO or image file and choose your USB drive and flash it. That's easy. So that's why this is like the best software for making a bootable USB drive. So you can see here we have the select image option. So here we can select our operating system file. So it could be ISO, it could be DMG, it could be IMG. So it depends on you what type of operating system you have. So I'm gonna click on select image, and for this tutorial I'm gonna use the Bliss OS, which is a Android operating system, and I'm gonna make a bootable USB drive for Android. And at the end of this video I'm gonna actually show you by booting it up. So now it's time to select our ISO file. Next we have to select our flash drive. So I have only one USB drive, which is a data USB flash drive. So I'm gonna choose this, continue, and now we have only one option which says flash. We're just gonna click on it and it will start flashing the whatever operating system we have selected, and it will also validate whether it will boot or not. Is it bootable or not? And actually it is very fast. I'm waiting from around 1 minute, and it is really fast. It's under 1 minute. It's around 70%, which is really fast compared to any other bootable software maker. So Balena Etcher is like the fastest and the easiest software to use. Now it says validating. So that was I'm talking about earlier, that it validates whether your USB flash drive is bootable or not. If it's not bootable, then it will give you some message or warning. So I haven't got any warning or message. So yeah, if you get any warning, that means your ISO file is corrupted or anything like that, but that's like really rare case. So it's now validating that whether it will boot or not. So we're just gonna wait till it validates, and as you can see it says unmounting and it says flash completed successful device, which means our device is now bootable. So actually it took only 2 minutes to make a bootable USB drive. So I have used lots of software to make a bootable USB drive. So this is the fastest software to make a bootable device. So now I'm going to turn off my PC and I'm going to show you how to boot. Actually, I'm not going to do the tutorial, but yeah, I'm going to show you how to boot, and I'm going to show you that I have successfully booted a Android OS which I created just now. So let me turn off my PC. Okay, now I have turned off my PC and yeah, it's time to boot it up and select our boot menu, and from there we can select the bootable USB drive. So sorry for the shaky video, but yeah, I don't have camera, so I'm using my phone. So I'm going to turn it on, and my boot menu key is F12. So it's different in different laptops or computers, so it depends on your configuration, your machine's configuration. It could be F10, 11, 12, it could be 8, 9, F. So you can see my boot menu is here, and I don't know if you can see it because it's too bright for the phone. You can see in legacy boot we have the option of USB storage device. We have to choose that. Okay, so I'm gonna choose that and I'm gonna hit enter, and you will see that our created bootable USB flash drive will boot up whatever we have chose. So this is a Android OS. We just made a bootable USB of. Okay, so I'm not gonna install it because I don't want to waste your time, but I'm gonna actually run this live. Okay, there's the option run Bliss OS without installation. Just to entertain you guys, I'm just gonna boot it up, and you will see that the Android OS in PC. Actually, someday I'm gonna make a tutorial on it. Actually, I'm gonna make a review rather than tutorial, because tutorial is like really hard to do, because you need two computers and camera and all that kind of stuff, and I don't have a camera, so you can see my hand is shaking. No. So that's why. So you can see our operating system is booting up, and yeah, that's about it. Okay, it booted up. Now we have to choose something. You can't see, my phone's camera sucks, bro. I'm gonna choose this one always, and you can see we successfully booted into the Android 9.0. I'm gonna go into the settings and I'm gonna show you Android 9. Where is it? I can't see through my phone's camera because it's too bright for my phone. System, about, tablet. So you can see we have the Android 9. I'm gonna keep clicking on it, but I can't do anything. But it's a Android 9. So this is a Bliss OS for PC. So you can actually, if you don't like to use any other operating system, then you can use this. But that's for the other video. But yeah, hope you enjoyed it. That's it. I'm gonna put a link in the description for the Balena Etcher software. You can go there and download and keep it in your PC if you want to. If you want to get the portable, you can get the portable version. So yeah, the fastest and easiest software to use to make a bootable USB drive. That's it. Have fun, and I will see you in the next one. Again, have fun. Peace.